In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube end screens to grow your online business. And it is a question that I do get asked, and just yesterday I got asked, how do you actually grow a list of emails from your YouTube channel? So basically, how do you grow a business off the back of a YouTube channel? Now, if you're just growing your YouTube channel to get subscribers, likes and comments and try and gain as much ad revenue, this strategy might not be for you. But if you want to grow a thriving online business off the back of your YouTube channel, now this strategy is definitely for you. Now, first off, you've got to change your mindset to what an end screen is. It's not just to close out the end of your video, it's actually to open up an offer to go deeper with you and to come over to your website. Now I'm going to showcase a number of different examples in this video, and to do this, I'm going to dive straight on over into my YouTube studio. So here I am inside my YouTube studio, and to do this, I'm just going to select some content. And I'm just going to go down to, I'm going to go on to a YouTube video. So how to upload videos on YouTube, 31 key settings. So this is all about the correct way to publish a video on YouTube. And your end screens are going to be down the right-hand rail just here. So if you're not using end screens, you are missing out on an opportunity to offer people that very next step. So all you need to do is click on end screens and then go through this process. Now I currently do have an end screen on this video, so I'm just going to cancel it out. And just to show you, for the last 20 seconds of any of your videos, you have the opportunity to put in some graphics or media here. Now this is the opportunity that I implore you to try and offer somebody the next step, or go and download something, or even subscribe to your channel, or go and watch some more training. Now this is the last 20 seconds of every video. Now, full caveat, if you are just trying to grow subscribers and views on your channel to try and increase your ad revenue, then the best strategy for you might be just to showcase another video and say, hey, go and watch this video next, and have that video as an end screen. Now, this will do a couple of things. This will offer that audience the next step if it is related to that video, but it will also give the signal to YouTube that people are binge watching your content. So they've gone from one video to the next video. And if you keep looping your channel around to watch more and more videos, then YouTube is going to promote you. YouTube love that. Caveat, YouTube do not like when you click away to your homepage or say, go and download my free guide or go and watch my channel. But my strategy on this channel is to grow an email list and to grow a business off the back of this channel. It's not to grow simply likes, followers, and subscribers. That is all well and good, and that does have a means to an end. But basically, I am in this game to build a YouTube business. So if that's you, then this strategy could be right up your street. Now, you've got a few options here. I do have a TubeBuddy template that I can add in here, but I'm just going to go through what YouTube are currently giving you. Now, this is going to identify the last 20 seconds of your video. You don't have to showcase things for the whole of that 20 seconds. You could showcase the last 10 seconds or even the last 5 seconds. But what I'm going to show here is examples of what YouTube are offering you as just an overlay template. So here is one video and one subscribe button. Here is one playlist, one subscribe, one video, one link, one subscribe. So you can add in elements. You could do it manually just by adding in elements from the top left. You can either add in another video if you just want people to keep watching videos. You can add a playlist if you want to get them to watch that binge watch and give yourself a good bump in watch time. If you are not part of the YouTube partner program, you can't actually have a link out to your website. So the best thing for you to do here is to add a subscribe button, because you want to get to that 4,000 hours of watch time and that 1,000 subscribers. So then you can enroll in the partner program and then offer out links to your site. You can add another channel if you are cross-promoting across channels, but this is the one that I want you to hone in on if you are part of the partner program. So if you are not part of the partner program, something like this one, so you've got one playlist and one subscribe. All this will do, it will give you a subscribe button here, and then it will give you a playlist. Now, depending on if you have anything that pops up on your screen, you have this area here, the little hashed area, just to play around with where you think these should be. So this is a subscribe button. So if I place it in the top left here, you can't have it outside of this. You can enlarge them or shrink them a little bit, not much wiggle room there. But if I was to look at the subscribe button and then hover, show hover card outline, this is what they're going to see when they hover over this subscribe button. It'll say just click to subscribe to this channel. So for the video view, so I'm just going to uncheck that. So for the video, this can be either a video of your choice, or it's going to be, this is actually a playlist. So let's get rid of this one. Let's just go and show you a one video, one subscribe. This could be best for viewer or most recent upload. So this could be your latest video, or you can choose a specific video. Now, if you're in the business of choosing specific videos for certain people watching your channel, then that's up to you. I always, as a rule of thumb, I keep things as simple as possible. I click best for viewer. So YouTube is going to have a look at, see what the viewer has actually watched before, and then just show them the next best video that YouTube thinks. And then again, if you are not part of that YouTube partner program, have something really simple like a subscribe button and then a video that they can go and watch. Now, like I said, this is going to give you the last 20 seconds here. Now, you do have the opportunity to play around with how long or how much you want to show in that 20 seconds. So if you only want to show like the last 10 seconds, you could put these down here, and then you could actually scrub to see within the last 20 seconds there's going to be nothing showing, and then the last 10 seconds they're going to be both showing. Or a top tip, if you just want subscribers, you could actually make that subscribe button the full 20 seconds. So when they come through, the subscribe button is going to pop up. Or if you just want them to go and watch that next video, then you can have the full video for the full 20 seconds. So when they come through, they're going to see that video pop up first, and then the subscribe button at a later time. So it's entirely up to you what your strategy is. But my strategy is try and put the subscribe button first and foremost, because you want those subscribers to get onto the partner program. But if you are on the partner program, then this next strategy is for you. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this last template here. And I typically import from video, but I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. So element, I want a video link. Now, if you are trying to grow a business off the back of your YouTube channel, you want some type of opt-in page. Now, I have an opt-in page here, and it should be really relevant to what you're teaching. So this is exactly what you need to reach your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Grab this as a handle from your website. This is a free opt-in product, and then just paste this in here like that. So what you're going to do is click apply, and then this is going to pop up here. Now, you can't just do this. As it says at the top, at least one element must be a video or a playlist. You can't just have link out to your website. So what I'm going to do is cancel out here. I'm going to import from a video, and I'm going to import from another video here. And all I've done is I've imported this template, and this template is it's my link that I just shared. So it's timpeakman.com/YouTube. And then I've just got some copy in here. So custom message, it says free jumpstart guide. So if I was to hover over that, it will say get your free jumpstart guide. And then the call to action is learn more. And then I've got a logo here where you should upload something like a square image, either with text on that image, calling them to action. I've just got one from Canva. I use something like my favicon for my website, but I've edited it so it's something like this. This is just my logo. timpeakman.com goes through to my homepage. If I was offering up an affiliate link or something like that, which I'd regularly do with Kajabi, I would put a Kajabi logo in there. So I'll say, hey, go to this link to start your free 30-day trial with Kajabi, and I would put that link in there. So make sure that the link is relevant to what you're offering them to take the next step with. And once you're happy with that, just put the logo in here. Now, as you can see, this is my click away link. I have also got in here best video for viewer. So remember I said, if you had the option and you don't know what to do, just click best for viewer. This is just going to give YouTube the autonomy to offer people the best video for them. So all I have here is I have a link, a click out card to my website, and then the best video for a viewer. Now, as you can see down here, I have got for the first or the full 20 seconds, I have got the click out card to my website, because I want people to click over to my website And I'm going to be pitching this at the end. So go to timpeakman.com/YouTube to get your free Jumpstart guide to learn how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now I've got that for a full 10 seconds before anything else shows up. And if people aren't clicking away by that point, then they're going to come over and maybe watch another video of mine. That's not a bad thing. That's a secondary thing. If I want people to stay onto my channel, want to offer them a real no-brainer, go and watch this video. I don't typically say that in the video, but that is my strategy. If there is one call to action that you need to take after you've watched this video, it's go and download my free piece of media. That is it. So that's my strategy. If you wanted to see it in action, just click on that video and then just scrub it all the way to the end where you are talking about your lead magnet. This is me pitching my lead magnet. And then the last 20 seconds, this will pop up. And in the last 10 seconds, this will pop up too. So that is how I grow a business off the back of YouTube. So go ahead and try this for yourself. See how many leads and sales you're getting into your online business. And it comes to that time of the video, well, if you want to learn a little bit more on how to grow your first 1,000 subscribers on this channel, you can go to timpeakman.com/YouTube to download your free Jumpstart guide today. It's a really simple checklist you can go through and make sure that you've got your channel set up to scale. And again, if you want to watch that video that's appeared on this screen, by all means do the same. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I do read every question and get back to you. That link once more, timpeakman.com/YouTube. And I look forward to seeing you on the very next video.